$5 million has been requested to create 3 COVID-19 test sites in Jacksonville. This emergency legislation was filed today by Councilmember Garrett Dennis. On your sides, Haley Harrison's live tonight outside of City Hall with where he wants to see these additional sites. Haley?
Well, Heather, this legislation comes as hundreds across the First Coast search for free testing sites as COVID-19 cases spike in our area. But this legislation will have to go through 2 city council votes before it gets the green light. Councilmember Garrett Dennis is proposing Agape Community Health Center to run 3 additional COVID-19 testing sites located at Shops of Sherwood, Lane Wiley Center, and College Park Center. He says the sites were chosen to accommodate people from all sides of town and would also offer COVID-19 vaccines.
I want to keep Jacksonville open. I want to keep businesses open. I want the kids to go back to school safe and healthy. And so how we can do this by testing.
Dennis is asking for $5 million from the city's general fund to keep the sites up and running for 2 months.
The city of Jacksonville, we have a lot of money in our reserves, $200 million, and this is just a small fraction of the people's money to put back and give back to the people of Jacksonville.
2 weeks ago, First Coast News spoke to some of the hundreds of people waiting hours in line to get tested for COVID-19 at the Duval County Health Department site downtown. Dennis says free appointment slots are also filling up at other healthcare facilities.
So I heard today that a lot of our local pharmacy partners, you cannot get a COVID test for days.
The On Your Side team reached out to the city to see if they've signed on to the legislation. They sent us a statement back which says in part, Mayor Curry and our administration have been working tirelessly over the past week to identify several locations for COVID-19 testing throughout Duval County. Details are being finalized and a formal announcement will be made soon. We hope to have these testing locations available for citizens in the coming weeks. Now, Dennis tells me that this emergency legislation will be voted on by City Council during their next meeting next Tuesday. If approved, Dennis tells me that Agape will be ready to go with the new testing sites the following week. Live outside City Hall, I'm Haley Harrison, First Coast News. On your side.
Haley, thank you. And